Just add toothpaste to Coca-Cola and see something amazing. You'll want to share it with everyone once you've seen the amazing results. We started by adding 1 tablespoon of toothpaste to a bottle of Coca-Cola. Now close the bottle and shake it well. Cleaning product manufacturers don't want you to know this secret because they just want you to waste money on expensive and ineffective products. Even millionaires keep this powerful secret hidden. Now open the bottle and pour the contents into a container. Pour carefully to avoid overmixing. Here, I'm using approximately 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola, the common household soft drink that's cheap and super easy to find. But wait, we're not done yet. The next ingredient is dishwashing detergent. We're adding 3 tablespoons. This mixture is pure gold, and I bet you've never seen anything like it on the internet. To increase the power of our cleaner even more, we add the baking soda next. Add a tablespoonful and mix well until you get a smooth, homogeneous solution. Baking soda is one of the best natural cleaning agents. It removes stubborn stains and fights tough dirt like no other. After discovering this incredible mixture, I never spent money on expensive cleaning products again. I use it at home and it always works very well. Now, to store this powerful solution, take the same Coca-Cola bottle, make a small hole in the cap and use a funnel to pour the mixture back in. Our homemade cleaning solution is ready. Now let's put it to the test. You're probably wondering, what's this for? Well, look at this frying pan. Burnt, greasy, and covered in layers of residue stuck to it from frequent use. This isn't just any dirt. It's burnt oil and accumulated dirt that seems impossible to remove. But not with our solution. Squeeze a little onto a sponge, no water required, and see how it instantly foams up with its powerful cleaning action. Now just rub the dirt in and you'll see it disappear effortlessly. The shine returns immediately. The magic of this mixture lies in the combination of Coca-Cola, dishwashing detergent, and baking soda. Together they break down grease, remove dirt, and restore the pan's original shine, making it look like new. And the best part is that it works on all pans, especially aluminum ones. With minimal effort, your pans will be spotless and shiny, as if you had just bought them in the store. Check out this incredible result. Isn't it amazing? This trick will revolutionize your cleaning routine, especially if you love keeping your pans spotless. Now it's your turn. Try this homemade cleaner and let us know what you think. God bless you. See you tomorrow.